It is Good Times has got a WhatsApp channel. If you want to get breaking news stories immediately on your phone on WhatsApp, please click the link on the description to join the It is Good Times WhatsApp channel. It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is Good Times or co.za. Now, when your character is being developed, there are very strange things that happen to you. You play against a team that's smaller than you and it beats you in the final. And it probably was very difficult emotionally for those players to deal with. And today, for 60 or 70 minutes of this game, they were 1-0 down to a team that's weaker than them again. That's character development. And they came back, they scored 2 goals to be number one or affirm their number one spot in the Betway Premiership. That's Mamelodi Sundowns. They are now 6 points ahead of Orlando Pirates in the Betway Premiership. Pirates are supposed to play tomorrow. They are not playing tomorrow. So that means Pirates will only be able to respond to this win in around 10 days' time next week at the Soweto Derby. So well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Although this doesn't come with the prize money of the culling knockout in the final, however, it is some sweet victory if you remember how they lost that final. Junior Kanyama, analyst, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Benedict Lelechenjali tsovila kahle.
Mr. So-and-so?
Ngibulise uLindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Bobo Bobzin. Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDisc TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Amani grounded isibukeli sasang grounded ibhola man.
We ended up talking more than what.
Yeah, sigcine siringa kakhulu but ipitch nje
It's not good.
yeah angazi PSL mina
Khuluma noMakhazi futhi ngike ngakubona nesithombe ushuta noMakhazi so ibraya yakho uMakhazi ngoba
Behlangene kwenye-
uye
behlangene kwenye lo.
uye odabule iground yase New Peter Mokaba
Yeah,
mabashaya ama concert la.
Yeah.
So the grass it needs to recover, it needs time, so they have to play it there at the Peter Mokaba Stadium.
The
Unfortunately.
ground they look heavy and also hard. My player mining
There's always injuries.
Yeah. Going to the ground game. I think Owen came to the game. He was coming to the game because he being a draw. The way approach angeke udlale 5-4-1. If not mistaken 5-4-1. There was no intentions with Owen angazakore. Beanga my intention to score. Breaking defense Sundowns no ways. Makubo only him alone. I think the boy, a lot of players badlala ngama team yakhe nje yonke. Badlala ngama players that they come from locations, tournaments. Ama players that they are playing with natural talent. Yes, mabachela ukuthi every man behind the ball bazokwenza lokho. I think today the coach is strategic ubache ukuthi ngicela nibe behind Sundowns. But Makubo, credit to the boy. One Makubo, I think each and every is consistent.
Yeah.
Hluphi Sundowns, hluphi Chiefs, hluphi Pirates, and he scores. Ngokuzwile nikhuluma ukuthi second half banendlela e1 how they score. Ivar, but who score? Makubo.
Yeah.
Because he scored ngenhloko Chiefs. I think if not mistaken Pirates
Orlando
score.
Pirates go to the left, cross it, and scores.
Mastera ne positioning. Iyakwazi ukuziposition. Very dynamic player as well. Unabo skillful, is strong as well, hardworking. Kunzima ukuthola iplayer talented also ukwazi ukuspana. I think we
I was saying this to Lindo, sorry to cut you. Uguti, those are not the kind of players we must lose to NFT. My relegate my guess,
Yeah.
if they get relegated, hopefully he stays in the league.
Yeah, lo mfana lo now it deserve better. Abo Cape Town City, they must look at this boy. Also get proper. Nabo dance, I think bangamnceda lo mfana actually surrounding. Because now uyaziqalela senzele. There's no midfielders, proper midfielders here in this team. Owen ulo mina ngimazi team le, you can see every man behind the ball go one and one.
When he got that one goal, I knew Uguti, that's where it's gonna go.
And among I check break sometimes they make a mistake. They lost the ball, Maldala White, and then the center back drop. Yeah, White. Why nga press ang kulma ngokhoza. Bekumela press la because the crossing ebikhona. Kuba ne cross na ilubusa ulo ukekana makazonala. How can uyeka lo mfana Makuba wena? A check ibhola, vele uzokora isithole. And it's clever the boy vele wali go first pull. I can't blame the goalkeeper. Well done Onyang Bancedi. They should have lost this game or draw 2-2.
Yeah. Especially in the first half.
Yes.
Let me ask you about Malibongo, because you were talking about him a lot when we were watching the game, and even in the Champions League matches
Talking
you've been
about
Malibongo Khoza, yes, you've been mentioning him a lot. What are you seeing about his game? What are your worries about him?
Kuleko mfethu, there's no ways ulibusa. There's better defenders. Ngiyazi ukuthi ulo ulimele. Mvala. Teruk, there's no way. Teruk, Libusa, they can sit outside for babukele lo mfana. They can't. There is no way angazi ukuthi coach
What are his weak points? What is
number
his
one, the
problem?
boy, I think kunobulazy nyana. The boy is center midfield. He's a holding number 6 lomfana. Very casual. Casual. Lose the ball. There's some lose the ball, udlala center back, you land in 18. There's
the last
nobody
man.
last man. So I think it was programmed. I think it is a naturally holding midfield. Number 6. Uyamfana ulinki defense labafana bathanda ukudlala ama short chop chop. Fana lapha la kumele press le ball shy cross. We center back udropile. Kunomuntu uyazi ukuthi it's 1-on-1 in the box. Just press him. Ngoba wakubheatha ngaba i2v1 le on the box. Bangakubheatha basondele and then ba create i2v1. Uyambona nadi weyanesa le outing ngakhona. It's very, I think goal is selling it's him. Wanga pressanga mfana. I'm not hard to kumfana. Secondly, le bola le la face goalkeeper. Keep le bola ngaphandle boy. If you yabona ukuthi lo muntu sekala just keep le bola ngapha too casual lapha. Ukhaba umbone nadi walikhaba ngakhona umakhubu wafika cala. It was lucky. Well done to Onyango ngokuvala space. I think uvala position the guy couldn't see yena umakhubu. Well done to Onyango ngoba Sundowns if they considered. I think bebazo change indlela abadlala ngayo. Also Sundowns first half, I think 3 midfielders, which is Alende Umkwena, Umkhulisi. Ngine problem nabo. I know ukuthi Umkwena number 6 bekalinka badlala nga trade back is more uba center back angithi when the is mam full back swakhe mawambile mhlambi ibhola lika left or ka right he become a center back mhlambi one center back ka right or left iyamba iyomarka. Now Umkwena uya dropper these 2 midfielders which is Umkhulisi no Alende they drop isolating this front three. Urenas, Ushalulile, Uripero. Yes. Now, gune gap between bona. When every time umuntu bekaba and they can't play, ngiyazi Alende can't play long ball. He can't play long ball. Mkhulisi can't play long ball. They will play short. What mabal thola lapha. They play short. Normally if ala people they must fight again, play it. Umuntu bekayenza lonto. They play Mkwena. Mkwena makadlala udlala mhlawumbe Uripero Ushalulile. He must hold the ball. Now, but check, I mean, you can't, as a coach, you can't play Ushalulile on the left-hand side. You can't do. Now, he must cut in decision making. He can't do that. Now, Ushalulile isolated. Renas also isolated. Banga check Renas. There was one player, man, he didn't play. There was no support. But when he has just pouch. He finished. So between Shalile and Renas, I think he coach. Namhlabo Steve. I understand Namhlambe they were telling a game. He came in 20 minutes after considering. Coach Begmela read the game. Good no. I don't need Renas no Shalile. I must eliminate one. Bring this boy. Now Uche Magangen, I think he did very well. Matthews, yes, he did very well. Well done to him. There was a natural left wing forward. And his Sundowns about balance attack also repair. Well done to Sundowns, but in first half, I think they isolator front three yabo and midfielders and defenders. Defenders and midfielders were very near. Second half, I think much better in terms of energy. Kulmangabo Sundowns energy. Go more forward.
What do you think of
Go
the
more
impact
forward.
of Salis?
Yes, we need to be realistic. Pelagli wana abanye abantwana when we talk. Yabo, we had patient la. Angisife ngamchita. But umchita uthe makafika nguleke groundini, wachinge environment. The guy movement, he never lost the ball. Balekile phela ukuthi awulose ibhola. Whether first touch you like it or not, I goal assist kuzal drop la, well done to him as well. Namanje baza bathola second goal push, well done to him. He's never lost the ball as a striker easy. Kuna ma defender next to you. So well done, une impact ayenzile makangena. And Sundowns second half joba ngisho they played more forward. And kwaba nama number boxing but shift ball quick. They were too slow man.
Are those positive signs in terms of, I know obviously no one rates him,
Yeah.
but is this now a positive sign? Oh, he has an idea of football.
Yes, there is the idea of football. I saw it. If I have to do a comparison, yes, I know Shalile with the pouch. Shalile just pouch. Shalile can't receive, he can't pass. You know very well. Shalile play to Bamzadis according to his strengths. That's why Kado Sumbona Mtauta sometimes. Aksumunto zog receive, but so when you cross, you'll find him at the right place. When you play, it just finish. One charge. He can't trap, Ugutaza dribble someone or extra charge, but this guy will now learn. So, yeah, na imnika that advantage kuno Shalulile. Eyo ngita ngifuna ukwenza comparison, but compare like ngimbonile there is the idea, but mela spane. Enye into engibonile ikunobulezi. Ubulezi akusitalent into angasipana ngayo. So Sundowns I think no referee ngizobuyela back. I think in South Africa nguleko man. We must
Just explain what happened first before.
Yeah.
Before uchaze indlela ofila ngayo about referees,
Yes.
what happened here?
There was a in swinger, a very good ball coming from on the left hand side in swinger. Shalulile, I think there was a defender, Mfage on. Shalulile just got. And then celebration, I don't understand the lineman, causing Mona Paramisili. Sundowns players, they went to him. Maba Vezes long, Mabas Veze once. He was onside. Nkuleko, why are we doing that? I mean, yazi why ile nto bengikhuluma ngayo mina ngithi khona enye game besibukela I think last week there was a red card ngithi mina ngidebate ngale red card ngoba if beyenzeke the opposite side I don't think it was going to be given. Ipolitiki iqala lapho. So today if this game was I mean le mfethu
There was supposed to be a winning goal as well.
almost Sundowns
Because
draw.
if Matthews doesn't score, then it's a draw.
Yes. I-wrong mfethu le ball eshaya inswinga la Matthews aligobile and then Shalilo score. It's a beautiful goal and ukuthi balicancel psychological ukuthi Sundowns players experience bancedile Champions League. Also to be champions in 7 times in a row. Between premiership. Yabanceda lo nto because to play in those field and come and win. Yazi kunzima ukudlala ne-team idlala low block. They don't play ngama tactics Owen. Omunye umuntu mhlamba ngaphikisa there's no tactics at team ka Owen ngikhuluma ngami they run all over. They go behind the ball, everybody one-on-one like this. Abanayo, angazi ukuthi coach mina. I'm sorry kusho so. My coach is like this. Usam coach Owen, but you need to improve now as a coach. Sometimes you need to learn. If football iyahamba.
But I knew Minuguti by the time he got 1-0,
Yeah.
it's over. He's gonna just like Utsobe Gashuguti, good dressing room, Uzoti. Don't try to be smart. It's 1-0. Every man behind the ball.
He never tried to be smart.
Uzopila ngomthandazo ukuthi akahambi isikhathi.
Never tried to be smart. But it is a drive game. Once you score, you sit back. There will be a little mistake. Ama runs loud, ama pockets. Udlane club technically very good. Individually, but talented. But repair. Look at the goal they score.
Well, he's gambling on the idea that it's 1-0.
Yeah.
And the Sundowns were poor in the first half.
Yeah.
So in his mind, he's thinking, let's keep him like this. He does not see in his mind a scenario where Sundowns are changing players, by an agency. He's thinking, I have limited them to only one shot in the first half, maybe 1 or 2. I'm 1-0 up. I'm Kulumele. I don't enjoy that football. I hate it, actually. I hate negative football. But in his brain, those kind of coaches, they're thinking, I am 1-0 up. They only took 1 shot at goal. I'm going to keep it this way.
You must check Uno Ribeiro.
Well, he kept him quiet. That's the thing. To him, 45 minutes at halftime, I go dressing room. In his mind, he's thinking, he was quiet. And I'm shying a man marking.
Yes,
40.
there was man marking.
Little did he think that
He's gonna get
because Ribeiro, what he did right was that he moved away.
dropped.
Yes, he dropped.
Yeah, he
so
dropped
then
Rafinha,
he negated that man
They
marking.
interchange position. He's
Yeah.
a confused team out.
Yeah.
When he drop and then the goes and Mkwena. Because Ribeiro maga drop out to him London. The way Owen coach follow him. Yeah, Rafinha. And they need to learn these people. And there's nothing wrong as a coach to learn from other coaches. Are you getting the wrong thing?
He's not going to start.
Yeah, mina-
Nabanye no Kevin, Badala. They're not going to start learning attacking
No, man,
football.
Kulego,
And it's 5 years, 10 years, abanye baba retire. So
Yeah.
they're not going to learn today to attacking football.
No, yazi isukube uhlazo because you can't to leader. I mean, you're playing home. Udlala home. Hayi ukuthi udlala away. He's playing home. We understand as a coach. The way we are leader. You understand? I would think if you can coach them properly, can't do. Yeah, that's why I forget about on the bench.
Well, now he's responding because it's 1-1 now. At
Yeah,
that point,
now he need to play.
yeah, he's pretending that he wanted to play.
Yeah, Nyama's an impact player. We are right about Kevin more or less. But come on, we are shout the box. Yes, it's man. Well done to Sundowns. Succeed to team.
We need to wrap it up. It's late.
Yeah,
late.
more than a team at Lalilo block majority. Well done to them for coming and winning.
Sure.
Character, they never played beautiful, but character love.
There you go.
These are experienced players. Well done to them.
Thank you very much, Junior. Yeah, it's a midweek day. Sinabantwana funeka bavuka esikolweni baye esikolweni ngomso kusasa so funeka si wrap up nani funeka niphangele ngomso. Inkosi kakhulu ngosibukela. It is good time to sports betting.